Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an amazing code for your Firestick or Android TV which will allow you to jailbreak and fully load your device. In other words, you'll be able to load thousands of apps which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. There are plenty of movie apps, TV shows, live TV players, IPTV players, or even games. And the whole process of setup is really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so we click on Downloader. And that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings. Let's do it right now. Here are the settings, open them. Then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Here you will have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Firesticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and make sure to turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it, and here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast. We got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code which you can see on the screen right now to get the same offer. Then finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta open the Downloader application. There it is, open it. Here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, click on Home, and here in that bar, we got to enter Aptoide TV. So let's enter it. So yeah, just enter Aptoide TV as you can see on the screen right now, and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the search request might not work. After that, we have to click on Go. And while the search is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content on Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more content for you. Then when the website has opened, we have to scroll down a bit until you find the tv.aptoide.com. That's the website we're looking for. Here it is, so we click on it, and then the new web page should open for us. Yep, here it is. We also have to scroll down until you see Aptoide TV button. Click on it as well. And now in a couple of moments, the download is going to start. Usually that doesn't take long. Then click on install and wait until Aptoide TV gets installed to your Firestick. And after the app was installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files and save you some free space on your Firestick. And that's important because you don't have too much of free space on your device anyway. Now finally we'll have to go to settings once again. Click on the settings button, go to My Fire TV, to developer options, again to install unknown apps, and this time we'll have to turn that option on for Aptoide TV as well, because we'll be using Aptoide to install other applications from the internet. Now go to the list of apps on your device, there it is. Scroll to the bottom and here you'll find Aptoide, which we just installed. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote, that's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Aptoide TV is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Then of course don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can get 3 months of NordVPN for free if you use link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com. Then feel free to open Aptoide. Click OK here. You'll have to allow access because otherwise you would not be able to download other applications. And from here, feel free to discover the top applications, new arrivals, streaming apps, free games, or just go through all the categories that are available in the app. There you'll find communication, social apps, tools, video players and editors, music and audio, health and fitness, sports, and so on. And each of those categories has tens or even hundreds of free applications inside. So I hope the video is helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.